Today we're gonna walk through another pre-foreclosure. This one's going to the auction. I think it's next week. And the bank asked me to come out, take a look, see if it's occupied or if it's vacant. This one's definitely vacant. I knew immediately when I pulled up because the outside just looks so bad and is overgrown. No signs of life. Plus you can see in that window in the corner, that white sticker, that tells me they've already come out and rekeyed the property, put a new lock on it, and rekeyed it. If you've watched any of my videos before, I talk about this often, but every mortgage has a clause in it that allows the servicer the right to protect the property in the event they find it abandoned or vacant. And this, of course, this has been abandoned. It's not livable. There's no way this house is livable. It looks like they actually put a dimensional shingle roof on part of the house, but not the other part. And you've got a combination of aluminum siding and vinyl siding. I mean, what a mess. All right, let's walk around the inside real quick. So this house has a living room, a kitchen, an inside laundry, 2 bedrooms upstairs, and 2 bedrooms downstairs, and a bath downstairs and a bath upstairs. So it's a 4-2, but you can see how much work this property needs. I mean, this has already been gutted. And this is a mess. You've also got the original windows, single pane aluminum. So as an investor, you've always got to replace those. You got lots of mold here in this ceiling, which tells me upstairs definitely is leaking. Yeah, this needs a lot of work. Well, at least this bathroom is put together. A nice paint tile. All right, well, this is a first for me in my 20 years. I've never seen vinyl siding as a backdrop or a backboard in the bathroom ever. And they get an A for creativity, for sure. All right, whoa. Yep. You can actually see daylight through the roof. Wow, what a mess. Yeah, these floors are just ruined. These bedrooms are not big at all either, so they're kind of small. But you also see 2-prong electrical outlets throughout the house, which means there has to be an electrical upgrade also. So this is probably the original money pit right here. Wow, they demolished the kitchen. No appliances, no countertops. Flooring's trashed. Cabinets are trashed. Inside the laundry room, no hot water tank. Get back real quick. This is another example of where the servicer and the bank, they're going to lose their rear ends on this one. And I hope no investor buys this thing at auction without knowing what this thing really looks like, because they are not going to get the money back at all. Not to mention, this area is not the greatest in the world, so just there's going to be really a cap on what the house would really be worth, market value, you know, once it's fixed up. And this isn't the greatest location, so this is not going to bring huge demand or huge bucks. So anyway, just another example of more foreclosures that are coming out. We're going to be seeing more and more here soon, but I got a feeling I will be getting this one back unless some inexperienced, uneducated buyer buys it at the courthouse, which I hope they don't.